Dear 10th student, today we are going to discuss about a solution. Normal salt, sodium chloride is a solute and water is a solvent. The salt dissolved in the water is called a solution. The salt dissolved in water uniformly dissolved, distributed in all the area of water. So it is called as a homogeneous solution. At the same time, the sand is mixed in the water and it partially dissolved, make a heterogeneous solution. It is not completely dissolved in the water, so it is heterogeneous solution. Single salt and the solvent make a binary solution. Sugar and salt are the two kind of salt which dissolve in the water make a ternary solution. Two solute, one solvent. So there are three kinds of items, so it is called as a ternary solution. Solution prepared without water is called a non-aqueous solution. Here water is not a solvent, some other oil, kerosene or some other petroleum product may be a solvent is called as a non-aqueous solution. A container having 100 gram of water and 26 gram of salt dissolved in the water make unsaturated solution. Suppose we are adding 36 gram of salt in the 100 gram of water make saturated solution, because above 36 gram salt does not dissolve in the water. Concentrated solution depends upon the amount of solute dissolved in the solvent. So amount of solute decide whether it is concentrated solution or diluted solution. When we compare two solutions having same solute and solvent, the one which contains higher amount of solute per the given amount of solvent is said to be a concentrated solution, and the another is said to be a dilute solution. They two kind of water, one is bore water, another one is rain water, are taken to boil. More amount of bubbles released in the rainwater, that's why the rainwater contain rich in oxygen. solution prepared with water is called as aqueous solution. A solution prepared without water is called as non-aqueous solution. Without water means the solvent may be a oil, kerosene, petroleum or some other alcohols or act as a solvent. Hydrated salt means it absorbs the water from the surrounding and it become a crystalline form. The copper sulfate is a hydrated salt which when it is heated, it loses its water molecules, so it becomes white in color. Later, water is added in the amorphous unhydrated salt, it becomes blue in color, so it is hydrated salt. Atmospheric air at an ordinary temperature absorb enough water and get completely dissolved. Such substances are called deliquescent substances and this property is called deliquescing. Sodium hydroxide absorbs the water from the surrounding and dissolve it. Copper sulfate salt dissolved in the water form a copper sulfate solution. Carbon dioxide dissolved in the cool drinks or soft drinks, it become different taste. So carbon dioxide dissolved in the water with high pressure.